The Las Vegas sun was out in full fury today. Summer is definitely here. As the high temperatures put my metabolism into full gear, I realized that the cravings are real. Cheesesteak, Philly cheesesteak. Those guys' pies are amazing too, but we're here for the cheesesteak today. We are going to have Philly cheesesteak today and pizza. Those guys' pies, they're so good that Guy Fieri from Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives came to see them when they were here in Vegas. Those guys' pies. Here, I'm gonna check them out. You can find Those Guys' Pies at the lakes here in Westside, Las Vegas. This amazing view will make any cheesesteak or pizza taste good. Unfortunately, the sun was just too hot today and I didn't want my pizza or cheesesteak double cooked. Good. Can I get do you do like a half pizza?
Half?
Yeah. Can I have like just a 14-inch meat on one side and then just the cheese on the other side? I'm liking the cool music. Ridiculously hot today here in Las Vegas. When you're here in Las Vegas, definitely you gotta go and visit them. They are known for the pizzas. The pizza I had before, I came back to taste the cheesesteak. And I'm having lunch here at this very gorgeous lakeside park. I'm gonna show you a closer look at the whole place. Look at that lake area right in the middle of Westside, Las Vegas. There wasn't much space at the restaurant, so I decided to take my food to about a quarter of a mile away from that place, but still on the lakes area, so you can see very nice park out here. The ribeye Philly cheesesteak with all its wonderful ingredients fused into perfection. The provolone cheese like molten lava covering everything in its path. Cheesesteak perfection. So now we're going to try their Philly cheesesteak. This is the ribeye cheesesteak, and I got the works. Now I'm not an expert on cheesesteak. I've had quite a few. Some people tell me this and that is the closest to the real thing, but this one I'm excited to try. We'll start with the meat. The meat is just amazing, so tender. And the cheese is just melting all over the meat. Pretty good cheesesteak. Jalapenos, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions. Can't even begin to describe the bread. It's really good. Cheesesteak fries. That was wonderful. So the fries by itself is really good. With the meat and the cheese and all the good stuff on top, makes it really great. These are good fries. Now I had their pizza before. Look at that gorgeous looking pizza right there. A big bite coming. From what I heard, they make their own bacon. Oh, the dough is so good. Now that's really good pizza. See, that Italian sausage is just so good. And so sure enough, the cravings were satisfied. This wonderful cheesesteak experience assures that we'll be back to those guys' pies very soon. The sun is definitely getting hotter and it's time to take some serious shade. Those guys' pies. You're amazing. I'm gonna be back for more, for sure. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe, Super Friends. Till the next video, bye.